Planning a trip to Tokyo and wondering where to stay? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to guide you through some of the city's most exciting neighborhoods. We'll dive into Tokyo's vibrant city life, explore trendsetter paradises, and travel back in time to historical areas. We'll even venture to a futuristic island. From beautiful sights to mouth-watering food choices, we've got you covered. So buckle up because we are about to embark on an exciting journey through Tokyo's best places to stay. First on our list is Shinjuku, the heart of Tokyo's vibrant city life. Shinjuku is a place that never sleeps, where the city's pulse beats the strongest. It's where you'll find yourself amidst the hustle and bustle of Tokyo's nightlife, illuminated by the countless neon lights that paint the city in vibrant hues. The food scene here is just as diverse as the city itself. Whether you're craving mouth-watering sushi, steamy ramen, or experimenting with something new, the culinary delights of Shinjuku cater to every palate. Getting around is a breeze with its well-connected transportation network. The Shinjuku Station, known as the world's busiest railway station, links you to the rest of Tokyo and beyond. As for accommodations, Shinjuku offers a variety of options from luxurious hotels to cozy guest houses. Popular choices include the Park Hyatt and the Capsule Hotel Shinjuku 510. Shinjuku, a place where Tokyo's heartbeat is felt the most. Next up, we have Shibuya, the trendsetter's paradise. This is where you can truly feel the pulse of Tokyo's youth culture. The bustling streets are lined with an array of fashionable shopping districts, each with its own unique charm. From high-end boutiques to quirky thrift stores, Shibuya caters to all tastes and budgets. And when you're done shopping, why not take a breather in one of the many trendy cafes? Each cafe offers a delightful blend of ambiance and flavors, making it a perfect spot to rest your feet and indulge your taste buds. But Shibuya isn't just about shopping and dining. It's also a hub of vibrant street culture, where you'll see the latest fashion trends and street performances unfold right before your eyes. When it comes to accommodations, Shibuya offers a wide range. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly hostel or a luxury hotel with all the amenities, you'll find it here. Shibuya, where Tokyo's trends are born. Moving on, we take you to Asakusa, a window into Tokyo's past. Nestled amidst the city's high-tech hustle, this neighborhood whispers tales of the old world, of tradition and heritage. Here, the air carries the scent of incense from the venerable Sensoji Temple, Tokyo's oldest temple, a beacon of cultural richness that draws in the spiritually inclined and the curious alike. Venture down the charming alleys and you'll discover Asakusa's famed Japanese inns, or ryokan. These traditional lodgings offer a unique experience, a blend of comfort, history, and quintessential Japanese hospitality. Imagine tatami-matted rooms, futon beds, and sliding paper doors, all promising an authentic taste of Japan's past. In Asakusa, time slows down. The neighborhood's leisurely pace offers a gentle respite from Tokyo's relentless energy. You can lose yourself in the labyrinth of quaint shops and eateries, each one an invitation to explore and immerse in the local culture. Asakusa, a step back in time within the modern metropolis. Lastly, we take a leap into the future with Odaiba, Tokyo's man-made island. This futuristic wonderland is a playground of high-tech entertainment and a beacon of modernity. Its attractions are a testament to human creativity and innovation. The island's shopping malls, for instance, are not your average retail outlets. They are sprawling complexes filled with cutting-edge technology, offering a shopping experience that feels like a trip into the future. From virtual reality arcades to robot-themed restaurants, every corner of Odaiba offers a unique glimpse into the world of tomorrow. Then there's the stunning waterfront, a sight to behold. The view of Tokyo Bay with its shimmering lights dancing on the water surface at night is truly mesmerizing. And let's not forget about the accommodations. Odaiba boasts a range of hotels, many offering breathtaking views of the bay. These establishments provide not only comfort and luxury, but also a front-row seat to the city's dynamic skyline, Odaiba, where Tokyo's future takes shape. So there you have it, 4 amazing areas in Tokyo where you can consider staying. From the pulsating heartbeat of Tokyo's city life to the futuristic allure of its modern islands, Tokyo is a city that promises a unique experience for every traveler. Each area we've explored today offers a different slice of this vibrant city, each with its own unique attractions, food, and accommodations. Let's take a quick trip back through these remarkable districts. First, we ventured into the heart of Tokyo's city life, Shinjuku. This bustling hub is a paradise for those seeking an adrenaline-fueled urban experience. With its neon-lit streets, towering skyscrapers, and a plethora of dining and shopping options, Shinjuku offers a taste of Tokyo's energetic city life that's hard to resist. Next, we delved into the trendsetter's paradise, Shibuya. Known for its iconic scramble crossing, Shibuya is a haven for fashion enthusiasts and pop culture lovers. From trendy boutiques and cutting-edge galleries to an eclectic mix of food options, Shibuya is the place to be if you want to be at the forefront of the latest trends. Then we journeyed back in time to Asakusa, a district that offers a charming glimpse into Tokyo's past. Here, tradition and culture reign supreme. From the historic Sensoji Temple to the traditional rickshaw rides, Asakusa is a testament to Tokyo's rich heritage and an oasis of tranquility amidst the city's bustling pace. Finally, we set foot on Odaiba, Tokyo's futuristic island. With its ultra-modern architecture, high-tech attractions like the Team Lab Borderless Museum, and stunning waterfront views, Odaiba is a testament to Tokyo's innovative spirit and a must-visit for tech enthusiasts. Each of these areas offers different types of accommodations to suit various budgets and preferences. Whether you prefer a plush hotel suite with a view of Tokyo's skyline, a trendy boutique hotel in the heart of the city, a traditional ryokan for an authentic Japanese experience, or a budget-friendly hostel, Tokyo has something for everyone. But remember, these are just 4 of the countless areas in Tokyo you can explore. There's a lot more to discover in this city that's a beautiful blend of tradition and modernity. Remember, the choice of where to stay in Tokyo ultimately depends on what you want out of your trip. Happy planning, and here's to an unforgettable adventure in Tokyo.